How to add FAQ section to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to do that step by step. In this video, I'm going to be using Horizon, so let's just go ahead and get started. First, you simply just want to click on Edit Theme. Now, I need to notice, I did say I'm going to be using Horizon, but you need to also understand that not every single theme is going to have an FAQ section to add. So in the case that you're using a theme that doesn't have it, you may need to resort to some third-party applications or just switch themes. So if we actually do have that, we simply just want to click on Edit Theme, as I said, and we just want to find where we actually want to add the FAQ section. So let's just say we want to add it right over here. We simply just want to click on Add Section from this side of things. Or we can just go to the template and click on Add Section. Either way, it's just going to open up this list of sections that we can add. And we simply just want to scroll down and we should be able to find an FAQ section. So just simply click on it. Now that you did click on it and now you have your FAQ section, we simply just want to obviously adjust things a little bit. Now, if you click on the entire thing, so the thing itself, you're going to be able to change the scheme. You're going to be able to change the layouts, the design aspects of things, and such. So all the design aspects are going to be from this side of things. So once we're done with the whole design aspect of things, we simply just want to go back. And then from here, we are just going to adjust the heading first. So we just want to click on it and replace this to whichever thing that we want. So for example, we can just make it FAQ. And you can obviously feel free to adjust the text as you like when it comes to bold, italics, and so on. Next, we're just going to go for the questions. So you're going to basically adjust all these accordion options. And if you want to add more questions, you simply just click on Add Block right beneath this. And you should be able to add a new accordion. So I'm just going to adjust one of them and you're going to get the idea. So we can just adjust the first one. When will I get my order? We can just, change that to, hi, how are you? I have no idea what I should write here, so I'm just going to leave it as that. You can even add an icon to it, but, with FAQs, you usually don't go for that. And then you can just basically click right next to it, and you're going to find the text, which is going to be basically the answer. So click on it, and you're going to basically, adjust this answer to your liking. So once we're done, we are just going to adjust the rest of the questions and people are going to be able to actually read all of them, as you can see. Click on Save and you are pretty much set and good to go. So this is how to add an FAQ section to your Shopify store. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.